Hi, everybody. I'm Mandy.
And I'm Amy.
And this is what's happening for the week of May 13th at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Amy, what's up?
This week's Lunch and Learn, they're on Wednesdays, and this one is coming to you from Felly's greenhouse.
Yay, flowers.
Learn about gardening tips and tricks. And then outside exercise with Melissa. We'll be back on Tuesdays in May at 10:30 at the Kids Crossing in the McKee Park shelter. So you won't want to miss it. And a drop-in is only $5.
I love it.
I know.
And
did you know that 58 million adults have arthritis? I'm one of them.
Oh.
Coming on May 29th is Living Well with Arthritis with Dr. Leah Grinvalsky. Come and learn some strategies for managing your aches and pains.
Oh, yeah.
Mandy.
Hey, guys, are you looking to volunteer? Please give me a call. I'm going to hook you up. I'm always looking for fill-in meal drivers. I'm looking for people that can take people to and from doctor's appointments. Also looking for people to fill in the kitchen. So just reach out to me. My number is 270-4293. You can email me, whatever. I'd love to hook you up with something that you would like to do. You can also create your own volunteer experience.
Yeah.
Tell me, what do you want to do here? We might be able to set something up. Hey, guess what? Stay tuned. Party on the patio.
Right.
May 31st. We have got to break in our new patio for the season and our new patio furniture. So stay tuned for details about when that's happening.
Oh, so fun.
You know we love a good party here at the Senior Center.
Sure do.
We. Hey, Dr. Zorba Paster will be back on May 22nd at 1 o'clock. This time, he's going to be talking about key nutrition and health misconceptions. So misconceptions or things that you hear. Eating fat makes you fat. Regular detox is necessary. Gluten-free is healthier. He is going to dispel and stimulate your minds with facts.
All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's usually hot, you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.
Peace.